A few weeks later. I'm all out of drinks. Worst possible time to happen when I'm super thirsty. Oh well, I'll just go and swig some cola at Joe's. Finally, I'm there. Thank goodness I did not get dehydrated. Let's go inside.
Right, you know the drill. Dennis, the first person we see while driving, we will bring to our gang and train them, because we just need one more person to join our group, and nobody in the town that we've asked want to join. Got it, Miguel. Hey, there's someone over there by Joe's. Pull over.
Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Madison County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Browns Ferry, moving east at 30 foot, damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Athens and Tanner around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Madison around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Huntsville around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University of Alabama in Huntsville and Redstone Arsenal around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight and University around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Belmina, Frenchville, Mooresville, Chipshaw, Lillan, Hampton Cove, Ripley, Brownsboro, and Foley. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Next test. Right, let's see how powerful your hits are. Oh heck, those hits are impressive. Next test, please. Next test. Dinosaur fight. 3, 2, 1, go.
Missed me, you fat dinosaur.
You are around